Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change audio pitch in Audacity. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change audio pitch in Audacity, first make sure you have your audio in the timeline and that you have stopped recording. Now select the part of the audio you want to change the pitch of. You can either use the mouse to click and highlight this area or use the Ctrl and A key to select all of it. With the audio selected, click on Effect at the top and then choose Change Pitch. In the new window, you can increase or decrease the pitch by adjusting one of these options. You can change the pitch with the notes in the top section or use the slider to change the pitch with the frequency. When you change one option, you will see how this affects the others. If you want higher quality, then check the bottom box, but this will make the processing time much longer. You can click on Preview to see how this sounds, and once you're happy, click on Apply. That's how to change audio pitch in Audacity. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.